What's going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today we will be taking my daily driver Lexus RCF, and we are heading to check on my Mitsubishi Lancer turbo build. It is finally done at the body shop. So it's about an hour's drive. To the body shop. We went there yesterday, check out the progress. Bumper's painted, wasn't put on yet. It just got put on today. Got it cleaned down. It's gonna look real nice. I'm really excited. So we're gonna head there. Yeah, let's go ahead and head over to the shop. So yeah, as you guys know, besides the body work, the next thing is we do have to get it towed over to check out what the issue is causing the fire. So yeah, there's an oil leak somewhere. I'm guessing turbo line, possibly. I don't know if the turbo has to be changed out, but I do have a backup turbo manifold. So unfortunately we can't tow it to the other shop, long shop, to get it checked out today. So all I'm gonna be doing is going down, checking out the work, everything's all done, making payment for the body work. At least the bumper is painted, it's fitted right now, it's all one color, so it should look good. Doesn't drive, well, it drives, but I don't know what the issue is with oil spurting everywhere, so I'm not gonna drive it. At least it'll look good. So yeah, I'm just gonna check it out, and next video you guys will probably see is me going to actually get the car towed to the next shop, from the body shop to the auto shop, and then hopefully it shouldn't be you know, long before we get the car back. So yeah, we'll see. I'm pretty excited. I'm just excited and ready to get the car back. It's been sitting at the shop for a month. I haven't driven it for like 6 months because I just hate driving the car with a mismatched bumper. It's my show build, you know, I want it to be in pristine condition. But the promise that I want to make to myself as well as you guys, once I get the car back, once it's running great, looking great, is I really want to take it to more car events, you know. So more car meets. I've been going to a lot more car meets, monthly car meets in Austin. So that's the plan. I know before that was mainly doing car shows, the big car shows. I just haven't been to too many anymore. So besides car shows, I also want to take it to some car meets. It's much more grassroots. I've made a lot of new car friends, you know, last few months. You know, I've been in the Austin car scene now for about 10 years, and they're car guys, car friends that come and go, right? So some of the OG subscribers, you guys have been watching my video for a long time. You might notice that some of my car friends you no longer see around, you know. They either stop getting into cars as a hobby or just move on to other stuff. So yeah, going to these events, I make new friends, either people who move from out of town or just new people who are into the hobby. But a lot of them, the new car friends, haven't actually seen my Mitsubishi Lancer turbo build. So hopefully we'll be able to get it pristine, take it out to more events. Just got over here to Danny's shop. Right now we're gonna check out the Lancer build. Alright, and we just got here. There she is. Looks so good. Danny and the team did a great job. So previously there was a pretty big gap right here by the headlight on the passenger side, as well as right here. It was kind of sticking out a little bit on the passenger side. Danny said they didn't have to, you know, worst case I was thinking maybe they might have to do some Bondo work here or here. Nothing much, just had to finesse the fender, maybe pull it out a little bit, but everything looks great, everything fits great. Again, this is an authentic Varis front bumper. If you guys are wondering, this is the first gen V1 street bumper with the carbon lip. Right now I don't have the badge yet, but the plan is, now that everything's done, we're gonna get it towed to long shop, and then once we get it towed to long shop, we're gonna get the mechanical stuff taken a look at, you know, make sure no oil leaks, get all that fixed, and then should be back home. I also shifted my RCF over here beside it. We'll do a little cinematic. If you guys don't follow me on social media, make sure to check out my Instagram page, JUS_TYN. I post on there more often. Also, I post on there more updated stuff the YouTube videos usually don't come out till maybe a few weeks later. So here's the golden shot of both cars, the daily driver RCF, besides the show build Mitsubishi Lancer turbo build. Let's do a little B-roll for you guys. She looks so good. Like I said, I am just glad everything is just back in one piece, is painted. All that's left to do is just make sure she drives good. There's some stuff, some bodywork stuff that I'll be working with Danny in the future. So maybe in a few months on the rear end, there's some stuff I want to touch up and refine. But for now, I am just so happy with how the car looks. Over the years, I always get people asking me questions like, what else you gonna do? I mean, honestly, I'm really satisfied with the way everything looks. Now it's just pretty much to enjoy the fruits of my labor. You know, just enjoy driving the car, bringing her out to more events. But I just can't get over it. You guys know, I've had this car since brand new, since 2015. Absolutely love this thing. People constantly ask me, would I ever sell it? Would I ever trade it in for an Evo? Would I ever do, you know, trade it up for something else? But this is my pride and joy. And again, a lot of you guys, subscribers to the channel, follow me for this build. So unfortunately, we won't be taking the Mitsubishi Lancer build back home today. Like I said, we'll be leaving the RCF and she'll be sitting here at the shop for a few more days till she gets towed to a long shop. So there'll be another video on that. I hate to leave her outside, but thankfully we do have some nice shade over here. Danny will be gone out of town for the weekend, so he won't be able to leave it inside one of these garages. Also, since I'm towing it, I don't want to have to head tow home and then tow to another shop. So yeah, I think it should be okay. It's pretty safe. It's a commercial area. He has a bunch of security cameras, and she's tucked back here safely. So yeah, I am really excited to get her home soon, excited to drive her soon. You guys know this car has been along with me pretty much on my entire YouTube journey since 2015. So yeah, OG subscribers would have seen me get this car built from the ground up. Over the years, a lot of people ask me, do you build the car yourself? Do you bring it to shops? I try to do everything DIY. So anything from, like, you know, simple stuff like putting on wheels, the hood, the headlights, wing, side mirrors, stuff like that, seats. Any bolt-on stuff I try to do it myself. One thing that I always bring to a shop is paint and body work. I'm not skilled with doing any paint or body work, and I trust the shop to do a way better job. So yeah. Also, as I get a little bit older, there's some stuff on the car that I did when I was, you know, younger. I didn't have the funds to do it, so I kind of did on the budget way, DIY. And over the years, like I said, sometimes shop does a way better job. So she looks so good. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. Hope you guys like it. Stay tuned. Next few vlogs will be on the Lancer as well. So leave a thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video.